Hi there, it's me, Mona from Scalarly. We help smart companies around the world by growing their products and services and scale their business online. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change the login password for your Zoho Suite applications. You first need to log into Zoho. Click My Account in the top right corner of the web interface. And a new Zoho Accounts tab will open. Click the security icon in the menu on the left. Click the Change Password option and enter the details for your current password, your new password, and then confirm your password. It is also important to take note of these password requirements. After clicking Change Password, you will be presented with these boxes. If you tick this box, it will terminate anyone who is logged into your account, such as yourself or maybe people you don't want logged in anymore, and it will boot them out. The second and third box is if you have integrations with this account. If you tick this box, it will kick all those integrations out. So this is a riskier one. Maybe some of you don't have integrations or don't care about this, but it's good to keep in mind that it can be a little risky to check these boxes. Also remember that you cannot change the login password for other users. Once you hit save, you will receive an email notification that your password has changed and it is live from this point. And that's pretty much how you change your password in Zoho. Like this video, share it with your friends or colleagues, and subscribe for more Zoho related videos. We'll see you on the next one.